Hi, this is Yvette Hamill-Graves with DataBank. This is the Managed Systems section of the customer portal. Very popular, very powerful. This is really where we shine. We're unique in the data center space because not only do we have colo, we have cloud, and we have managed services associated with our cloud environment. We have platform as a service or infrastructure as a service, and hybrids of the two. In this case, under Managed Systems, what you'll see first in the cloud environment is the cloud resources that are associated with your particular cloud environment. We do dedicated allocated resources in our cloud environment. It may be shared infrastructure on the platform level, but we don't oversubscribe. This is also something that makes us unique in the cloud provider space. As you can see in this case, this particular cloud platform for the customer, they're overutilizing their RAM. They purchased 56 gigs and they're actually using or have allocated to their systems 58 gigs. That's okay. We're not going to throttle the RAM on their systems, but we are going to charge you an overage fee in this case. If you see something like this when you're visiting the portal, or if you get a notification from us, and we will notify you when you're doing this, then you have the option of purchasing additional RAM to avoid the overage rate or continue at the overage rate. It may be temporary or permanent. It's really your call. You have control over this. Further in that section, you'll see status of the firewall and servers that we're managing. You'll also see here, this is the firewall itself that's serving this environment. Very powerful. We do manage the firewall, but what we don't want is for you to go blind to the configuration and performance of any of these systems. And in the firewall, you can actually show the configuration for the firewall. You can export it to a clipboard. This is really helpful, particularly for any network engineers that you have on your team. Any network engineer that's out there will tell you not being able to see the config can get really frustrating. So we want to make sure that you have access to all of that. You'll see the interfaces that are associated with that firewall, and you can add VPN users and VPN tunnels yourself to this service anytime you like, right through the customer portal. Of course, our support team is happy to do this for you. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but we find that a lot of customers like having this feature because they don't have to stop everything, open a ticket with support, and make the request. They can actually do it in real time. Being able to see the ACL and also to take action on sections of the ACL is a very powerful tool. In this case, because it's a demo account, we don't have connections to show you. There's no one connecting to the demo account. But if this was your account, you would see anyone who is currently connected through the firewall into the environment. Here are the syslogs, the monitors that are associated with the firewall. Managed services, we will monitor anything that you choose in your environment. Be happy to. We'll alert on it, give you information on it, open tickets if need be. In this case, again, because it's a demo account, we don't have monitors on the firewall, but we'd be happy to show you on the firewall we manage for you. Please check out our other tutorial videos.